Hi, this is Brian. I'm Curran from draftingservices.com, and I'm shooting a video of the projects I'm at today. In an apartment in East Midtown, and it's newly purchased. It's a duplex, and I am creating drawings for the interior designer of the owner. I'm creating floor plan drawings, reflective ceiling plan drawings, electrical plans, and interior elevations of almost the whole apartment. This is the great room, I guess you could call it, with the extra large windows. Let me give you a view from the other direction. You have a fireplace up there. That's where the kitchen is. So there's a common room that you can see right there. And then in that doorway up there is the kitchen. There's a laundry room up there. And then there's like a pantry up there. This is the other side of the room. Back here we have great view back here. This is a lounge, TV lounge area. And then a little cubby area. Here's the foyer, bar, stairs up, entrance, and then this is back to the living quarters. So we have a bedroom back here, common bath on my left, stairs to the stairwell on my right, and then we have bath back here, common bath, another bedroom with a view, another bedroom, and then back here is the master. So there's the master with the master bath. So this is what I'm working on today. I have all the closet doors open. I'm still in the process of measuring. This is what I'm working on today. I figured I'd show you around a little bit. If you're ever in need of as-built drawings, whether you're in the city, upstate, in the Hamptons, please feel free to give me a ring anytime. Thank you for viewing my video, and have a fantastic day.